Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. This video is for tester. If you want to earn some extra money by performing mobile game testing, then this video is for you. So let's get started. Here we have a website called Play Test Cloud. You can click on become a tester and then you can earn money. What you have to do, you have to just test the games that you will get on your email, and then after that get paid for that one. So click on become a tester, and then you have to fill this form. After that you will get one sample qualification sample test for the qualification, and that will be unpaid for first time. And after that, once you will success, you will pass on that, then after that you will start getting money for the testing. So 9 USD dollar you will get for each 15-minute testing, and you will get details on your email for the testing. So you can try this and let me know in the comment. Thank you so much.